What's going on, everyone? Today we're taking a look at the MegaMax from Ridgid. This thing is like a real life transformer. We're going to drill through concrete with a rotary hammer and cut through a treated 4x4 like butter with the drill head. Then we're going to cut through a 2-inch solid piece of steel with the recip head. First, we got to go Megatron mode. Let's get the review started. Oh, it's here. I've been telling you all that it was coming, and now we got the MegaMax. This thing is beastly, one of the most powerful tools on the market. It is Octane powered, and we're using a 9.0 battery on this bad boy. We're not messing around here. This beast is brushless. I will put every piece of equipment in the description below for you to check out. But first, I want to go over how easy this thing is to use, and then we're just going to start blasting through material. 2-inch thick solid steel. We're going to cut right through it. Now, if you ever use a JobMax, this thing is just like it, but on steroids. Right here, you can see you got your ready indicator, your lock-on indicator, your safety indicator. You have to do to switch out these heads, pull down on the lever, twist, and pull off. What's really cool about this is you can put this in 4 different positions. Now you have 3 different modes on the rotary hammer itself. Now you do have 3 different modes on this head. You have rotary hammer, you have drilling, and then you have chisel. All you have to do is turn the knob and select the mode that you want. Now as for your depth stop, very easy to use. I really like this here. All you got to do is pull that trigger down, and now you can adjust it simply by pulling up or down on it, and then just let go of it and it locks into place. And on top of that, every head has an LED light. Alright, now we're going to insert our SDS bit. This is a 1/2 inch. We're going with the Milwaukee, and we're going to go right through that concrete block you see in the back. Very quick release, very easy to put in and out. Let's start this thing up. Now right now we're just going on regular drill mode. So no load speed on this, 0 to 1400 RPM. Now the impact rate on this is 0 to 5000 BPM. Now this is definitely a more controlled application. When we put this thing on rotary hammer, we're going to destroy this block. Alright, now I put my full weight down on that. Absolutely no bogging down, but let's have some fun. Now that was real time. It was not sped up. Very, very powerful. Now there is a trigger lock-on feature. When you're chiseling, you can push that button down and it'll continuously chisel without having to pull that trigger. Alright, that was the rotary hammer. Let's transform it over to the drill. Alright, the MegaMax right angle drill head. This thing is also beastly. A really nice grip up on top. You can adjust that handle on the left or the right hand side of this unit. So lefty righty doesn't really matter. Very simple to attach. We're going to use some Bosch spade bits here. We're going to go right through this treated 4x4. Again, you can position this in 4 different angles, so it's really going to help protect your wrist. Now for this, I'm using the Daredevil from Bosch spade bits. These things are crazy sharp. Watch and see how fast this thing actually goes down through this treated 4x4. Now this is a key chuck. It does come with a key right here. Very heavy duty and very easy to use. Just tighten those up, ready to go. Now I am barely going to put any weight down on this head here. We're just going to see it go down. It literally takes hold and just pulls it down by itself. This is a 1/2 inch chuck, up to 450 RPM on this. Now we're going to add a little bit of weight to this, but I got to be honest with you, it doesn't really matter. You can push all you want. Even if you are not adding a lot of weight to it, it still takes it and drives it down like butter. As far as vibration goes, there isn't any. Extremely effortless. And those Bosch spade bits, man, they are just awesome. They are very sharp. I'll put a link in the description below for that as well. But the chuck, very solid. Also got the LED light. Let's take it to the recip saw now. Now we're really going to put this thing to the test. If you haven't seen our first video on the original Octane recip saw. I'll put a card above. That thing was beastly. I don't expect anything less from this. It has the orbital action, all that good stuff. Stroke length, 1 1/8 of an inch. No load speed, up to 3,100 strokes per minute. Also very simple to attach. Another nice thing, 4 different positions. If you're trying to cut sideways, if you're going through stud, listen, this thing will save your wrist. Very simple to put in, twist it, turn it, ready to go. Now, I had a few questions about the size difference between this and the original Octane. Let me just show you real quick what they look like next to each other. Now, the MegaMax is a little bit bigger, a little bit heavier, and a little bit longer than the original Octane Super Saw. But that being said, you're getting 3 different tools in this MegaMax. And you also get a couple cool features with all of the different LED light indicators. Now, what saw blades are we going to use? In my opinion, the best blades on the market right now are the carbide teeth Milwaukee Torch. These things are crazy insane. We're going to put one in. This is the easy release here. Slide her in. We're going to go without orbital first. We're going to do a control cut. We're just going to kind of lay it on there without any weight being put on it. And we're going to turn the orbital on and just go right through that thing. All right, here we go without orbital. Nice and smooth. I'm not putting any weight on this. I'm just letting it do it itself. All right, very easy to make that cut. Let's switch it over to orbital action. All right, let's give this thing hell. Put a lot of weight on that. Absolutely no bogging down, just like the original Octane recip saw. Very, very impressive. And those blades are just awesome. But now we're going to cut some metal. All right, this is an old steel wrench. Let's see if we can go through there. We're going to take the orbital off. This is all real time. We are not sped up. It's just so smooth. All right, here comes the big boy. This thing is solid steel, 2 inches wide, 2 inches thick. We're going to go right through it. Usually you would use a torch for something like this, but we like to do it the hard way here. We are not speeding this video up. Let's see what we can do. Now again, we're using the Milwaukee Torch carbide teeth blades here. All in all, the vibration is not too bad as long as you keep the shoe up against the metal. If you start pulling it out, it does vibrate a little bit, but as far as it goes with heating up, not noticing anything right now. Now right about now I am putting my full body weight, or as much as I can, down on this saw. I am pushing and pushing and pushing, and I cannot get it too bogged down. If you're going to use the Octane Brushless MegaMax, use the Octane batteries. I also did a review for that. I will put a card up above. Check that out. You have a phone app. Everything is ran right off of the app. Very impressive. Sends that power to the saw when it needs it. Absolutely no power loss. Alright, almost halfway through now. I'm still not noticing any heat. on the actual saw itself, which is pretty surprising. Now I am noticing that the head is starting to get a little bit warm, but I think that's the heat transferring from the blade into the head. This does have a safety feature that if it does get too hot, it will shut itself down. I think the only thing getting tired here right now is my wrist. The vibration's still not that bad as long as I keep the shoe up, but you can see if I pull that back, it starts to jump a little bit, but that's not the fault of the saw, that's just the fault of myself for not keeping the shoe up against the steel. But all in all, this thing is just slicing right through. Oh man, that was insane. Look at that piece of steel, 2 inches right there to prove it. Thing is solid and it cut right through it. I put so much pressure down on that I could not get that saw to bog down at all. And look at the cut and how smooth it is. This thing is extremely impressive. This thing is insanely powerful. And not only that, you are getting 3 different tools in one right here. It is a true transformer. Telling you, check this thing out. It will hold up to any job you throw at it. And what's nice is it is extremely easy to use. Simply turn those, take them off, put a new head on, and you are ready to go for the next job. And what's nice about it is you're going to save money instead of going out and buying all of these tools separately. The 9.0 battery that we use in this is no joke. They just came out with it. The 6.0 also works very well. Everything is Bluetooth. Just really, really cool. And again, I will put the base for the MegaMax in the description below, and I will put the link for all of the heads also in the description below. Check them out. I'm telling you, this thing is beastly, beastly, beastly. Well done, Ridgid. I am giving this 5 stars above and beyond. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. Check us out at www.toolreviewzone.com, and we will be back with more videos soon.